Alright guys, I want to show you how to mine this wrapped pie. Okay, I want to show you how to, let me show you the name. This is, check out the name here. Let me use my brush and show you the name. Wrapped pie. Okay. So if you have not been mining wrapped pie, I will encourage you, okay? I will encourage you to keep mining. Let's just do the task. If you come here now, click on this place. Okay, let's do the task. All right, good, very good. You say join Discord. You'll be given 3 wrapped pie. What do? You click on this go. Okay, to join Discord. Let me click it. I don't know if I've okay. It's a claim. I saw something like claim. Let's go back to that Discord. Let's go back. Okay, so let me claim it. Let me see if it will work. Receive. Can you see it? They have given me 3 of the wrapped pie. Okay. That's how it is. Received. Check out this place. They have given me the 3 wrapped pie. Let's go to the next task. Okay. The next task says boost channel. The boost channel is for those that are using Telegram Premium. I don't have Telegram Premium. I'm using normal Telegram. Okay. So let's leave this boost channel and go to join community. Are you getting it? Let's go to join community. Okay, if you join the community or wrapped pie, you'll be given 3 of the token. Let's join it now. Click on go. Click on this go. Okay, click on it and hold on. Click on it. You're gonna join the community. Can you see it? Okay, can you see? Join. Click on that join. You'll be given 3 of the token. Can you see what I'm doing? Alright, let's see over here. They say start earning. Let's see what they have for us there. Click on that start earning. It says start. Okay, click on start. Let's go back to our, can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? Let me click on this claim now. They will give me 3 of the wrapped pie. Okay, let me click on the claim. Good. I don't know if you see, they have received the reward. They have given me the 3 wrapped pie. Okay, let's go to the next task. I'm showing you guys, not even some of you, how to claim all these tasks so that your wrapped pie will increase in quantity. Let's just do this this one. Let's do this follow X, this number 1, number 2, and number 3, so that you can be able to do it on your own. Are you getting it? So let's go to, if you click on this now, it will take you to your X account. That is Twitter. Okay, the new name now is X. So click on go. I don't even need to go to Twitter again, because let me claim it. They have given me 3. Can you see? Can you see? They have given me the 3 of the token. Let's go to the next. Like and retweet. Alright, click on go. This is just common sense you use in claiming it. Don't need to stress yourself much. Click on claim. Alright, they have given me the thing, the 3 wrapped coin, a wrapped pie. Okay, let's go to the last task, which is like and retweet this post. The last one on my list here. Click on it. Go. You see, I don't need to go to Twitter self. Let me claim it. if I check my balance now, I see my balance must have increased. They give me the trade. So imagine getting three of this wrapped pie. At the end of it, you will be able to get it in large quantity. Don't fail to share your links to your friends. If you have a community on WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, you can equally share your links there. Okay, let's go to top 100. Let's look at our crypto OGs. Crypto OGs, the one that is ranking number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Let's look at them. Okay, you will get to know some of them. If you have been following them, click on it. Okay, like now, this number 1, I know him. This number 1 is his Mansky. I know him. Investigator Cheat. I'm in his group on Telegram. Blockchain, I'm on his WhatsApp channel. So these first 3, they are my 3 crypto influencers. I'm following them back to back. So that is how to run the tax to accumulate more of the wrapped pie. Okay, I have checked the comment section. You see the link there. Use it and sign up. No domain. It's a Telegram mining. It's a Telegram mining. Don't need to download any app. Are you getting it? Then don't sleep over this update too, because never can tell what this mining is going to result tomorrow. So that you not say, "Had I know." Thank you so much, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe.